Alright, so this is my very unprofessional walk around of my home office because when I was looking around the internet to try to find information about home offices, had a hard time finding it, so I figured I would be go ahead and lead us through it. So here we go. This is our spare bedroom slash office slash laundry room. So pretty dope. Here's the chair I was using for about 2 months. My back started acting up because this chair sucks. Didn't have all the nice features, some other chairs. So I wanted features. So I had the guy at work put my chair in the lobby, my work chair in the lobby, and I went and picked it up. It's got more features. Over here we have a bed for napping. And right now it's got clothes on it, some other junk, and yeah, got my laptop, my second monitor, because it's bigger than just the one laptop screen, so that's cool. Got the wireless keyboard and the mouse, because those are cool. Allows me to work from other places if I need to. So. And I got my VPN token, which is really old, and so sometimes it gets locked out. I have to call the help desk, and a lot of times they don't answer, and then you leave a message and they don't call back, so then you gotta call them again. And the guy's name is Dave. He kind of sucks, but he's British. It's alright. I got my headset and my old phone from like 1992. Oh, and then that's my cereal bowl, because I mean, when you work from home you can eat cereal all day, every day, so that's cool. Those are all my Post-its that I don't really use. There's my water bottle, because that's good for hydration. And down here in this little cove I've got my coffee cup. Don't know if you can see it, it's black, but it's pretty cool. It's good for, caffeine. So anyway, that's my home office. I hope you enjoyed it. Hope if you're doing some shopping around for home offices that this helps you. See ya.